One sunny morning, Sunny the fluffy orange cat woke up with a big idea. Today, he would ride through Blossom Lane and deliver smiles with a basket full of flowers. Sunny carefully picked fresh flowers from his little garden, roses, daisies, and marigolds, and placed them in a basket. He fastened the basket to his bright yellow bicycle. With the flowers swaying gently, Sunny pedaled through the peaceful path, trees dancing above and butterflies fluttering by. Everyone he passed smiled at the cheerful cat on a mission of kindness. Sunny spotted his friend, a sleepy squirrel, looking down. He stopped, gave him a sunflower, and shared a giggle. The squirrel's eyes sparkled with joy. At the town square, Sunny arrived just in time for the flower festival. Kids and animals clapped as he placed the final bouquet at the center of the floral heart display. After a long day of spreading joy, Sunny rode home with an empty basket but a full heart. He looked up at the stars and whispered, "Kindness is the most beautiful flower."